If there was ever a unicorn in the bike world, I'm not suggesting that this is a true unicorn, but this is, in my opinion, the closest thing to a unicorn. Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. FLY&RIDE here. I've got a nice break in the weather from this crappy northeast rain that we've been having for the last several months. And I'm taking Airwolf out for a spin. It's my 2022 BMW R1250Gs. I've got the 360 and a new angle back there that I want to bring to you today. So you're going to want to stick around. If you're new here, I'm FLY&RIDE, and on this channel I focus on motovlogs, ride videos, ride reviews, all on my 2022 BMW R1250Gs and on my 2020 Street Glide CVO. I feature cinematic drone footage. I do destination rides, group rides, product upgrades, product reviews, all things here on the channel. So do me a favor, if you're new, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that bell notification so you can be reminded of future content like this one. So if you live in the Northeast, you know exactly what I'm talking about, man. The weather has just been crappy here. We had rain yesterday, this morning it just cleared up for a bit. We've got more rain coming tomorrow. So I had to come out here, get some wind therapy, and again, I like to bring these different views and perspectives to just keep it interesting for all of you, the viewers. And if any of you are motovlogging or getting into motovlogging or trying out new cameras, you know, my hope is that through these videos you get to see different lenses and different perspectives that you can consider. And I've got the 360 lined up behind me here in a new angle that I haven't given you before. I've got one of my favorite roads that's coming up here, and we're going to switch there now and give you a nice view and also let you hear this amazing sound that this Boxster engine is making after the BT Moto tune with the Akrapovic exhaust. Just sounds awesome. All right, let me give you this. Let me stop right here, put the 360 camera on the angle that I want, and let's switch to the 360 view now. All right, let's give you this different lens right now. Man, that is fun. Nothing like it. I'm not sure if the video is giving you a real appreciation for how freaking nimble this bike is. How fast. Man, this is just... If there was ever a unicorn in the bike world, I'm not suggesting that this is a true unicorn, but this is, in my opinion, the closest thing to a unicorn in the motorcycle industry. Let me know down in your comments below if you've got one of these and what your thoughts are. Alright, so look, that's really going to do it for this short video. I just wanted to come out here and check out this new angle. If the video is uploaded, then obviously I liked it enough to share it with all of you. That's the kind of thing we do here in the channel. Test it out for your entertainment purposes and hopefully to add some value. Do me a favor, if you like this kind of content, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that bell notification so you can be reminded of future content like this one. Thanks for watching.